Good morning, grade 7. This is Mr. Ahmed Amer speaking. How are you guys? I really missed all of you. Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about permutation. First of all, what is the permutation? What is the meaning of that word? This is a new vocabulary. We took it. Permutation means an arrangement or listing of a group of objects in which order is important. What do you mean by that? All of us stay at home these days, right? No one go outside, no one go with his friends, no one can visit anyone. So if you are stay at home and you want to make events, you want to eat, you want to do your homework, you want to take a shower. These are three events you want to do it. Then we need to arrange these events and how many ways to arrange these events. This is our lesson today. So be with me here. If we look here, this is our book. This is lesson 6. Your book is geawhill, chapter 9, lesson 6, which is talking about the permutation. Then why we take permutation? We didn't start any lesson before we say why we take this lesson. This lesson to know how can you predict the outcome of the future events. So if you look here for the real world link, someone's name is called, he's planning his Saturday. He wants to do, he wants to do 3 things. He wants to mow the grass, he wants to go swimming, and then he wants to do his homework. Today, inshallah, we want to arrange for called his events among the day. So maybe if I tell Ahmed Samir, would you tell me or would you make for me the 3 events, what he want to do at first? Maybe Ahmed Samir will say, I will make him to do mow the grass and then go swimming and then doing his homework. And then I can ask Muhammad Hazim, طيب, can you make a different thing? Muhammad Hazim will say, Ahmed Samir said he will start by mowing and I will start by mowing. But the second thing, I will make him to make the homework before going to swimming. And then the third thing will be to do, yes, to go swimming. Then I will write here, swimming. And then I will put it here. Maybe I will ask Amr Khalid, what's your opinion? Amr Khalid will say swimming, mowing, homework. I will ask Ranim. Ranim will say swimming, homework, and then there's the third event. She didn't write it. Then she must write here, yes, mowing. Then I will write here, mowing. Another one will tell me it's okay, I need to make another thing. Maybe Kareem will tell me he will make homework. After homework, he will go to mowing. It's okay. And then he will go to swimming. It's okay, no problem. Then I will write here, swimming. And then we will write here, homework. And then here we'll make another thing. After homework we'll make swimming. And then I will make here, after swimming is mowing. So rearrange our page, yes, like that. So how many choices does Cold have at his first activity? If you look here, how many of activity he can do it at first time? No one tell me it's 6. No, it's only 3. He has only 3 activities. He has mowing, he has swimming, and he has homework. Then if I want to write, I will write here only 3. طيب, look at the second one. Once the first activity is selected, then if he make, for example, mowing, like here, what the second thing he can do it? He can make swimming or homework. Then after the first choice, he can take 2 choices from the event that he have. Then we will write here it's only 2. Then he take homework and then swimming, and then how many of choices he has to make the third one? He has only 1 choice. Then what we must write here, it's only 1 choice. He said once the first selected activity, how many choices does he have for the third one? Then for the third one, he has only 1 choice. If you look here, guys, this is the second page. Next page, Julia is scheduling her first 3 classes. That means she has 3 classes. Her choices are mathematics, here, science, and language. It's also 3 events. Like last example, it was 3 events: mowing, making homework, and then swimming. Here she has another 3 choices, another 3 events: mathematics, science, and language art. Use the fundamental counting, the lesson of last time, to find the number of different ways Julia can schedule her first 3 classes. Then for the first choice, she has 3 choices. She has mathematics, math, English, language art, or the science. Then if she took mathematics, now she has another 2 choices between science and language art. If she took science, now she has only 1 choice, which is science. Then we'll make, for all of them, multiply 3 times 2 times 1, that will be equal 6. This is the number of permutation. Then the permutation here is 6. Another example here, an ice cream shop has 31 flavors. Kareem, do you remember when we said we went before for Baskin Robbins? It has 31 flavors, yes. Carlos wants to buy 3 scoops. He has only 3 choices from the 31 flavor. So for the first event, he has 31 flavor he can choose from all of them. But if he choose only 1, now he has at the second choice how many flavors? He has 30. And then he has 29. Then if you want to find the permutation for all of them, you will multiply 31 times 30 times 29. That will be equal 26,970. If we look here, guys, for that one, in how many ways we can starting 6 players of a volleyball team stand in a row for a picture. We have how many of players? We have 6 players. So if we look here, I have for the first choice 6, right? And then if I take the 6, it will be multiply the second choice 5, third choice 4, 3, 2, 1. All of that will be equal 720. Then the permutation for that example is 700. For the second example, in a race with 7 runners, in how many ways we can the runners end up first, second, or third? Then we have here only 3 choices. The first one is 7, the second one is 6, the third one is 5. We cannot continue because he said only 3 places. Then 7 times 6 times 5, which is equal 7 times 6, 42 times 5 is equal to 210. I'm so happy to be with you today and see you next time inshallah. Goodbye.